Ka Synod High Secondary School hakalai trik jeleu arajar arpusal kala Pynkup burom ya barok ki khynnah ki bala pas ba ha ka exam SSLC but HSSLC jong usnam arajar arpusal ha ka ni kasngi dadon lang Reverend WC Kongwer President Managing Committee Synod High Secondary School ka Principal Kong SI Tongper Vice Principal Kong Isu Chang bat kiwe de haba ai jingkren Reverend Kongwer ulakan tuwe ki samla bakin minat thop haka jingpudi jongki nang bakin poi shakathong.
We don't expect anything good from anyone. I'll come to that. You say, Pastor, what do you mean? Don't expect, especially you students. I never expect why I say to you like that. I don't need to wait for the reservation policy. I think all of you are aware, all these months, days, lots of people gathering, lots here in Syllad. Reservation policy. Why should we wait? We expect for that reservation. Isn't it? Especially to you, the passing out students of Synod HSS. Why should we need to wait for that reservation? We can fight ourselves, isn't it? You have done so good in your exams. What else remains? Continue to fight. Don't expect for this reservation. I personally don't like that. Why should that 40% remain with us, maybe all the Kasi community? So don't believe in that. Neither also should we be so happy with the news that we are free from common university tax, CUT. Okay? Maybe because of the disturbance and the improper methods of conducting this exam. But I will encourage you. Don't be scared and don't feel tired to write the CUT test, because in the long run, you will only be benefited from it. Not only here in Meghalaya, everywhere in the rest of the country, isn't it? Therefore, I encourage you, for those who have done your test, well and good. For others who have not taken CUT, better that you go for it, because that will carry you for your future endeavors ahead. So this is my wish and my prayer and my encouragement to you, the students, that you go on, fight and struggle hard. We know that we are not struggling alone. For all of you, I believe you are Christians. We know that the Lord is with us. Why should we be scared? Why should we be terrified or scared that all these things surround us? Go and continue your good works.